Hey guys, how are you doing? So today I will be discussing about some of the WhatsApp tricks which are really cool, and these tricks you don't need to install any third party application. These tricks will be useful for you anytime anywhere, and I really use these tricks. These are all system tricks, so you can also use them. So first trick I want to discuss is you can even watch a person's message without letting the other person know that you have seen that message, like the blue tick which used to go in the other person's WhatsApp message, that will not be showing there, and you can view the message from your WhatsApp. So for this trick, what you need to do, you need to switch on the airplane mode, and you can open WhatsApp. There should be no internet connection. You have to open WhatsApp and view the message, and then again after viewing you can switch off the airplane mode, and if the internet connection resumes, the other person will not know that you have viewed his or her message. So this is a really cool trick. The second trick which I want to discuss is sometimes you want to message the other person but you don't want to show yourself online, so you don't want the other person to know that you are online. So in this case, what you need to do, even if you disable the status and online location, everything in the privacy, it will show once you get online. But to hide that, you have to do the reply of the WhatsApp message from your notification. Yes, so we all have that option to reply WhatsApp messages from the notification. So you have to reply the WhatsApp message from the notification, and the other person will not know that you are online in the WhatsApp. So this is a really cool trick if you don't want everyone to know that you are online and you want to chat with only one person in that case. So the third trick is sometimes what happens, um, you want to know that the other person is not viewing your message. Yeah, other person is not viewing your message, and you want to know whether they are actually not viewing or they are like not online in the WhatsApp. So in that case, what you want to do, you want to trick them, and to trick them you have to send a small voice message in their account. So if I hold this and if I send this small voice message of 1 second or 2 seconds, the other person will see that you have sent a voice message, and he or she will open the WhatsApp to see what the voice message is, and eventually they will let you know that they have seen your message but they are not opening your message. They were online in WhatsApp but they are not opening your message deliberately. So for this reason you can do this. So this is a really cool trick in WhatsApp which you can try if you want to know whether they are actually not seeing WhatsApp or they are just ignoring you, especially for people who want to message their crush. This trick is very useful. So another trick I want to discuss is very useful trick, and you can also do that. That is, you want to see so WhatsApp has introduced one new feature, that is the fingerprint lock. You many people already know. So previously what people used to do, they used to install third party application, but nowadays it's in WhatsApp. So all you need to do is here you have to go to account privacy, and here you can enable the fingerprint lock. So every time you log into WhatsApp, you need to give your fingerprint, and it's a lot more secure in that place. So another trick I wanted to discuss is that in the data and storage uses, you can see how much amount of data is used in your for your WhatsApp. And sometimes what happens, people will be sending you all the messages, good morning messages, good afternoon messages, every media they will send in group, and all the data will be saved in your WhatsApp gallery or your phone gallery, which many people don't want, and I also don't want. So in that case, what you need to do, you need to go to the settings of WhatsApp. Here you have to go to account, you have to go to privacy, and here, sorry, not privacy, you have to come to data and storage. Here media auto download option, where it is, you have to click on when using mobile data. Photos, you have to disable everything, click on OK. And here also in Wi-Fi auto download option, you have to disable everything. And as you have disabled all the options, now the messages, like whatever the people will send you in WhatsApp, the photos and everything will not get automatically downloaded in your phone gallery, and if you want to download, then only it will download. So this is a great trick. If you want to try, you can try. And other than this, there are the option to change the theme also, light, dark, everything. Now for Android 9 this option is there. And so these are the tricks actually I wanted to discuss with you. If you are using WhatsApp, I don't recommend people to download third party and use those tricks, because nowadays privacy is our most important concern here, and we need to maintain our own privacy. We need to maintain the privacy of our phone so that our data remains safe always and every time. So I know that there are a lot of tricks, like you can save deleted messages, you can also save the status, etc., etc., but I don't recommend all those apps. So I will only show the tricks and tips which are from WhatsApp. So that's it guys. If I get any other tips and tricks, I will share with you guys. And if you want to know any other tips and tricks on WhatsApp, just comment on the video so that I can make a lot more videos like this on other apps also. So thank you guys, have a great day.